Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the show. While the global tally around us will soon touch 3 million, India's cases have crossed 24,000. It's indeed a case to worry. Hardly any country across the globe is left untouched with COVID, even a bigger worry. While on the one hand, it has exposed chinks in the healthcare systems worldwide, however well prepared you might be, on the other, it is also opening up newer opportunities for the healthcare sector. A lot of innovation has set in motion. We, during the last 4 weeks, organized a number of online consultations with doctors to discuss and deliberate on the issues, including research, response, and the role technology could play in view of the COVID-19 outbreak. Believe me, it's been an eye-opener that encouraged us to put together this seminar. Today we have with us practitioners, experts, healthcare professionals, policymakers, and researchers from across the world. Frankly speaking, these are the people expected to deliver to people's expectations under today's circumstances. We call them doctors against COVID. To talk about India, one of the biggest challenge is in providing the treatment to the patients, and that is the non-availability of medical history. There is hardly any medical history, that is true, but also a complete absence of medical records in addition. This has come in as a major stumbling block. Like the way you have know your customer norms for the banking system in India, what is needed is also under the current pandemic situation is know your patient, and more importantly, access to his medical history. It is indeed a felt need today. While technology has come to the rescue, arguments regarding confidentiality and privacy hampering have also come along. I'm sure all of you will agree that there is a difference between COVID and an infection like HIV. Singapore calls it Trace Together, UAE Trace COVID, UK NHS app Australia, Coronavirus Australia, several such examples worldwide. We call it Arogya Setu. It is being seen as a potential tool in the hands of doctors and medical practitioners to better fight this battle against COVID. So, what are we going to be discussing today? A, role of apps in epidemic control used by several countries. B, what has been India's response and learnings overall to COVID? C, what is the situation globally? And D, where are we on the vaccine?